Hey, what's up YouTube? SRT Dad. Today we got another good one for you guys. I'm gonna change my automatic into a fake manual. Let me show you how. Let's get started. So I did purchase a new knob for the Charger. It's a carbon fiber one, but I also bought a universal shift boot. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop off this little center console here, squeeze in the shift boot, put it all back together, and then screw the little knob onto my new handle here, and that should be it. So hopefully this works out good. Let's get it going. Alright guys, so the first step is to get this little T-handle out. I bought this little set of little star hexagon bolts at Lowe's, and you can see they're really tiny, and it's gonna be T8. T8's gonna get it out. You can see how little, very small it is. So if you do have a T-handle already, you're gonna need a really small hexagon bolt. I had to go to the store right now to get one, so go ahead and take this out. Got it out. Boom, slid right off. Alright guys, let's move on to the next step. Alright guys, so you can see I'm popping it off right there, and I'm putting that shift boot just over the console right there of the automatic. See, I just trying to get it through the hole there, and you just see me repeatedly trying to take it out and in. And eventually guys, I take a couple of screws off and I screw it in. As you can see there, I'm starting to do it there just to get it to hold down, and then once I put everything back up top, I just get it to, you know, squeeze in, get it on all four corners, and make sure nothing pops out. Basically, that's basically it, guys. All right, guys. So you guys can see I got it wrapped up. I just found two screws to unscrew, and I kind of just put the leather in there. Now I just gotta find a way to get all four corners on, and then put the top piece on, and then put the knob on. That should be it. All right guys, it's not hard. It's just, you just have to, you know, modify it and find a way to do it correctly. All right guys, so I got a little situation here, right? So this shift knob comes with 3 different sized little screws to put on top of your shifter. This one, I mean, it goes through, but look, it's going all the way down, right? It's not staying on there tight. And then this one fits too big as well. And then this last one, it's too small. See, I can't get it through. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the one that's just a little bit bigger, and I'm just gonna squeeze it a little bit to bend the metal, just enough to keep it on there tight, and then I'll screw the handle on. But as you can see, it's gonna look cool. All right, guys. All right, guys. So there it is. So basically, guys, I put glue in the hole and put it on, and just put it in, screw it. If I need to get a different shift knob, if this doesn't work out, I'll get the correct one, but this one's gonna be it for now. But this is what it looks like, guys. I did get a little bit of glue right there, damn it. But look, I think it looks cooler. It has red stitching. Guys, I did forget to mention that, you know, now that the boot's on there, you're not going to be able to see the parking, drive, reverse, and all that, but it's still going to be on your dash. Just make sure you look on there whenever you're, you know, driving it from now on, if you're going to decide to go with this route like I did. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that the video I made of this install. Like I said, I had to glue it on, but you know, it's on there good. I really like it. I like the red stitching. I like the new look. You know, let me know what you guys think. You know, if you like it, you know, you think I'm being a poser doing the fake manual, mean, I don't really care, you know what I mean? I like it, but let me know what you guys think, you know what I mean? Maybe you guys change my mind, or you guys think I should have went a different route, or, you know? And let me know what you guys want to see on the channel next, you know what I mean? I got plenty of ideas coming up. I got a lot of videos coming. But anyways, guys, that's going to be all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please, guys, if you like the video, hit that like button. It would help me out a lot with that YouTube algorithm, get my videos out there to more people so they could enjoy it too. All right, guys? I'll see you on the next one. I'm SRT Dad, and I'm out.